ᱥᱟᱱᱟᱢ ᱠᱚ ᱡᱚᱦᱟᱨ ᱤᱞᱮᱠᱥᱚᱱ ᱯᱳᱞᱤᱝ ᱚᱯᱷᱤᱥᱟᱨ ᱠᱚᱣᱟᱜ ᱢᱟᱨᱟᱝ ᱠᱟᱹᱢᱤ ᱦᱚᱨᱟ ᱠᱚᱫᱚ ᱚᱠᱟ ᱞᱮᱠᱟ ᱫᱮᱞᱟ ᱯᱩᱥᱴᱟᱹᱣ ᱛᱮᱵᱚᱱ ᱧᱮᱞ ᱟᱸᱡᱚᱢ ᱞᱮᱜᱮ Duty of first polling officer in elections. The night before, everyone has to fill up the forms and envelopes. Writing the voter slips, you have to put it down. Mock poll shall be conducted at 5:30 a.m. on the morning of the election in the presence of the polling agent. Voting must begin at 7 p.m. First polling officer's responsibilities and duties. First, after the voters arrives, verify the ID proof brought with him and identify the number of the voter's name in the mark copy provided by the Election Commission. Number 2. While doing this, the polling agents of different parties will ensure that the voter is a voter of that center. Number 3. Once this is done, if the voter is male, draw a line under the voter's serial number of the mark copy or cut off the serial number and you cut off a serial number of the male voter who brought it ready. Number 4. If the voter is a female, underline or cut it off the serial number of the voter in the mark copy. Circle the serial number and cut off one of the serial numbers of the female voter in your hand. Number 5. If the voter is transgender, third gender, underline or cut off the serial number of the voter's mark copy and give a star. And cut one of the serial number of the transgender with you. Number 6. If each voter's name is found in the mark copy, the second polling officer will say the serial number aloud and send the voter to the second polling officer. Number 7. This must be clearly done and quickly as there are many voters in the polling station. Number 8. At 5 p.m., the voters queuing to vote will be informed through the presiding officer that the voters inside or our center will be given their serial numbers. Number 7. In case of illness of the presiding officer, for any reason, the first polling officer shall act as the presiding officer. Therefore, the first polling officer must know the responsibilities and duties of the presiding officer. From going to the election to collecting votes and submitting them, the presiding officer, first polling officer, second polling officer, third polling officer all have to finish the job in unity. Remember, everyone has to do the work, otherwise no one gets released. You have to finish everything as a teamwork. Sector officer and police sector officer from departure to arrival. Johar.